In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks to Google Chrome, updated for 2022 and 2023. Whether you're keeping your online life organized or just want to save the websites you frequently visit, adding bookmarks in Chrome is easy and intuitive. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First things first, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome is a popular, user-friendly browser, and if you haven't used bookmarks yet, they're a great way to keep track of all your favorite sites. Next, navigate to the website you wish to bookmark. This could be anything from your favorite news site to a recipe blog you love reading. Just type the address into the search bar and let it load. Once you're on the desired page, pay attention to the right of the address bar. There, you'll notice a small star icon. This icon is what you'll use to bookmark the page. With one simple click of the star, you're almost done with adding a bookmark. Clicking the star opens a pop-up window that gives you a few customization options. So let's explore those for a moment. In the pop-up, you'll be able to edit the name of your bookmark. The default will usually match the title of the web page, but feel free to change it if you'd prefer a shorter or more descriptive name. This is particularly helpful if you're saving several similar sites and want an easy way to distinguish between them later. Now you'll notice there's also an option to choose a folder. Google Chrome offers two default options, the Bookmarks bar and Other Bookmarks. This step is crucial if you want to keep all your stored websites accessible and organized. If you want the bookmark to be easily accessible right under the address bar, select the Bookmarks bar option. If you'd rather have it tucked away, opt for Other Bookmarks. Once you've made these selections, click Done. And just like that, your bookmark is saved and you are free to revisit it whenever you'd like. If you want to make life even easier and have your bookmarks visible all the time, you can show your Bookmarks bar. Simply click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser to open the menu. Hover over Bookmarks and then select Show Bookmarks bar. This allows you to have one-click access to all your favorite sites right beneath the address bar. There you have it. You've now mastered the process of adding bookmarks in Google Chrome and setting up your user experience just the way you like it. I hope this makes your browsing more convenient and more fun. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.